Okay, yeah, hello, yeah. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate for payroll 3 weekly salary in Microsoft Excel. So not to waste your time, let's get into it. Now, the first thing they say we should look for is overtime, right? To find this overtime, you say this will be equal to if if you hit the tab key, this hourly wage is greater than 40. The reason why we are using 40 in this payroll is say that your hours, the amount of hour that you're supposed to work for is 40 hours. This is why we are using 40. Okay, if it is greater than 40, you take command, you hit the same hourly work minus 40 command 0. Let me explain this to you. Once you're supposed to work for 40 hours, this is why we get this 40, right? But anything greater than this 40 hours will minus 40 hours from within it. The remaining one will be your overtime hours that you work for. Now, if you do not have any overtime hours, meaning you should get 0. This is why we have this 0 here. All you have to do now is click enter. So here we have one overtime for Nelson, Achi Nelson, and here for Adamaba, she have no overtime because she work for exact 40 hours. Now this is why we get 0, because in the formula we use 0. Now this person have 2 overtime hours, this person have 0. They don't even reach the hour mark that they're supposed to work for. Now the next thing they say we should look for is the actual pay. The actual pay get to do with the total amount of money they're supposed to give for the exact amount of hour that you're supposed to work for as planned, with the exception of your overtime or this. Okay, so we say this will be equal to your hourly wage multiplied by your hourly work and click enter. So your actual pay is 750 or $758.50 that you're supposed to get as your actual pay. But now since we get overtime, don't forget we want to add our overtime money there, so we should earn our overtime bonus. So to do this, this will be equal to the overtime multiplied by the hourly wage multiplied by 1.5. Why are we using the 1.5? Here we get what? Overtime bonus. The bonus that they give us is what? 1.5. So we have to get our overtime, or we add, multiply our overtime, we multiply the hourly wage and that of the 1.5. So you click enter. So here your overtime bonus is $27.75. You get that? So all you have to do now is to autofill this. The next thing they say you should look for here is your gross salary. To find this gross salary, this will be equal to the actual pay plus your overtime bonus and click enter. So your gross pay here is $786.25. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it interesting, please subscribe to my channel and wait or watch out for the next video. Thank you so much for watching.